Example 1 are 2.4, 3.2, 1.5 and 2 in proportion. Now if four numbers are in proportion, that would mean that 2.4 ratio 3.2 will be in proportion 1.5 ratio 2. And we know that product of extremes will be equal to product of means. Means 2.4 into 2 should be equal to 3.2 into 1.5. Now 2.4 into 2 is 4.8 and 3.2 into 1.5 is also 4.8. So both are equal and hence these four numbers are in proportion. Example 2, find the value of x if 10 upon 3 ratio x is in proportion with 5 upon 2 ratio 5 upon 4. Now if it exists, then product of extremes will be equal to product of means. Means 5 upon 2x will be equal to 10 upon 3 into 5 upon 4. Means x will be equal to 10 into 5 into 2 upon 3 into 4 into 5. This 5 has come in the denominator, 2 has gone by cross multiplication in the numerator. Simplify it. So 5 and 5 are cancelled, 2 cancels this 4 2 times, 2 cancels this 10 5 times. So this is equal to 5 upon 3. Value of x is 5 upon 3. Example 3, find the fourth proportional to 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7 and 4. Now we take that the fourth proportion as x, means 2 upon 3 ratio 3 upon 7 will be equal to 4 ratio x. This x is our fourth proportion. Now again, product of extremes will be equal to product of means. So this implies 2 upon 3x will be equal to 3 upon 7 into 4. Therefore x will be equal to 3 upon 7 into 4 into 3 upon 2. Cross multiply, 3 will go in the top, 2 will come in the denominator. Cancel, 2 cancels this 4 2 times. So here it will be 18 upon 7. The value of x is 18 upon 7. That is the fourth proportion is 18 upon 7. Question number 4. Find the third proportion to 2.4 kg and 9.6 kg. We know that if A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, then C is called the third proportion. Though it comes at fourth place, but C is called the third proportion. So with this rule, we have 2.4 upon 9.6 is equal to 9.6 upon the third proportion, that is, let us say x. Simplify this. This gives us x is equal to 9.6 whole square upon 2.4. Calculate it. This is equal to 38.4. So the third proportion is 38.4 kg. Since the unit here is kg, we obtain the answer in kg. Third proportion is 38.4 kg. Now we will see the question number 5. Find the mean proportion between 1.25 and 1.8. We know if A, B, C are in proportion, then mean proportion is called B, which is written in the middle. So B square is equal to AC and B is equal to under root AC. That is, mean proportion is equal to under root the terms which are given to us. So here mean proportion is equal to under root the terms which are given to us, which are 1.25 into 1.8. Calculate it. This is equal to 1.5. So the mean proportion between 1.25 and 1.8 is 1.5. Example 1. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D is equal to 2.5 ratio 1.5, what are the values of AD ratio BC and A plus C ratio B plus D? Now, we have been given A upon B equal to C upon D equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. This is what we have been given. Now, when we cross multiply, we get AD equal to BC. We are considering only this portion. AD equal to BC. So AD ratio BC, that is AD upon BC, and AD and BC both are same. So in place of AD I can write BC. So this ratio will be BC upon BC. BC and BC are cancelled. So this is 1 upon 1. So this ratio is 1 ratio 1. Again we will understand. We are considering only A upon B equal to C upon D. Now this means by cross multiplication A into D is equal to B into C. Now when we require the ratio AD is to BC, this means AD upon BC. Now with this equation we have AD as equal to BC. So in place of AD I can write BC. So BC and BC are cancelled. I get 1 upon 1, that is the required ratio is 1:1. Now we see the next problem. We require the ratio A plus C upon B plus D. Now we know that A upon B is equal to C upon D, then each ratio will be equal to A plus C upon B plus D. This A and C are added. Here B and D are added. This is called addendo property. Now A plus C upon B plus D is required, which is equal to A upon B, which is equal to C upon D, and hence this ratio is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. So this ratio is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. Simplified, points are cancelled. We cancel it 5 from 5. We get 3 here, 5 here. So the ratio is 5 upon 3, that is 5 ratio 3. So A plus C ratio B plus D is 5 ratio 3. Example 2. If A upon 3 equal to B upon 4 equal to C upon 7, then prove that A plus B plus C upon C is equal to 2. Now, we know that if A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F, then each ratio is equal to A plus C plus E upon B plus D plus F. This we know is addendo property. Means the numerators are added A, C, E, denominators are added B, D, F. This is our addendo property. We have seen it in our basic concepts video. Now here we have been given A upon 3 is equal to B upon 4 equal to C upon 7. So each will be equal to what? A plus C plus E A plus B plus C, tops are added, numerators are added, denominators will also be added. 3 plus 4 plus 7. Each will be equal to this. Means this is equal to A plus B plus C upon 14. Each will be equal to this. Now, if each will be equal, means this will also be equal to C upon 7. So, A plus B plus C upon 14 will also be equal to C upon 7. Of course, it will be equal to B upon 4. Of course, it will be equal to A upon 3. But it will also be equal to C upon 7. Now, we simplify it. 7 cancels 14 2 times. Cross multiply. A plus B plus C upon C. C we are bringing on left hand side in the denominator. 2 goes up here on right hand side. This is equal to 2. And this is what we have been required to prove. Hence proved.